Hi everyone, my name is Chris Shetty and I'm the founder and CEO of Bundl AI. In the next few years, every company is going to come to the same realization. They didn't adopt AI, they handed AI to their employees and hope for the best. Our mission is simple. We want to standardize how teams and agents work with AI across every surface with governance built in. So let's dive right in. Let's see how a sales rep would actually use Bundl in their day to day. Here, as you can see, this is HubSpot. This is where most sales teams live. Bundl shows up in the right panel using a Chrome extension. And currently, we're in the deep link mode, which means that the workflows are executed as deep links across any of your LLM apps that the company uses. But what's powerful is the Bundl inference mode. So let me just switch over to that. Now, let's say we are messaging a prospect. We've got Jet Bartlett. He works at the White House. He's looking for account executives, and our name is Chris Shetty. And I'm going to hit run. What's powerful about the inference mode is that the deliverable comes right here in our Chrome extension. There's no switching of surfaces, and the sales rep didn't have to be like an amazing prompt engineer to come up with the perfect prompt. This workflow is battle tested, vetted, and standardized for all the employees by the company. So all your policies, all your guardrails, everything is embedded right here in the prompt. Now let me show you what happens when you switch tabs. The Chrome extension stays there right on the side panel. It follows you in every single surface that the employee uses for their work. Now let me switch back to our org library. Here we have the standardized AI workflows for the company accessible to all their employees. Now here's what most enterprise AI gets completely wrong. Today, AI inside companies is a black box. You might see token usage, but you cannot answer the basic questions like which prompts are people actually using, which workflows are performing, which user inputs produce what output, what are the risks, and what should be standardized. Bundl fixes that. Here, everything is timestamped, everything is captured, every workflow run includes the inputs and the outputs. This becomes the governance and audit layer, which is the missing piece for real enterprise adoption. And we go further. Here in the My Prompt section, an employee can create their own workflow, which they can then submit to the library. Let's click Submit here. I am in my admin role, so I can actually go into the Approvals tab, test out the prompt, and see if it's good enough to be added to our library. I'm going to hit Approve. And there you go. It's available for all your employees to use. So the workflow graduates from personal hacks into company standard operating procedures. Now here's what makes Bundl different. Bundl is not just the UI for employees. It's a shared AI corpus that works for non-technical employees, engineers, as well as your AI agents. Everyone operates against the same standardized knowledge base. Once you know something works, it can be reused everywhere, regardless of who runs it, which is why we built the Bundl CLI. Let me just pull that up right now. So we have a more deeper dive video, which I'm going to link in the description, and you can see all the functionalities and capabilities of the CLI. But let me just show you the basics. I'm going to run Bundl init, and here we're going to see the entire corpus that we have. We're going to add a new role. What's great is that you can actually link your AI agent here, and it can help you create the skills and workflows rather than creating it manually. For now, I'm just going to do manual creation. Going to hit Product Manager, B2B SaaS, and Outlook use. And here we have it. All the skills are present here, and it can be synced to your non-technical employee surface. So everyone is working against the same surface. Now, AI is becoming infrastructure, and the companies that win won't be the ones with the most prompts. They'll be the one with institutional AI memory, which is standardized workflows, reusable skills, governance and auditability, and portability across surfaces. And that's what Bundl is, the open standard for organizational AI workflows.